Hello, this is Joel Matthew Alfred, UR15CS342, and this is my second program in structures and functions. Now moving on to the question, write a C++ program to find the area and perimeter of the following shapes, that is circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and cube. Now the aim is same as the question, so moving on to the algorithm. Step 1, start the program. Step 2 is include the header file as stream. Step 3 is to declare the variables to be used. Step 4, the user should enter the values of the shapes. 5 is to use switch case. Each case is analyzed using switch case. Then step 6 is the user is allowed to insert using the cin command. And step 7 is the program executed. Step 8 is the result obtained is displayed using cout statement. And step 9 is the end of the program. Now moving on to the program. We start with the header file as stream, hashing as stream using namespace standard, using declare statement using void calculate float, void calc of float comma float, and void calc of double, void calc of double, void calc of int. These we come to know in the later part of the program why we use so many floats and doubles over here. And int choice, float radius comma length comma breadth, then long base comma height, and double s, that's side 1, side 2, and side, then int side. Now the main function, inside main function we declare a character ch using do while loop. Do cout, enter a choice to calculate the area and perimeter of the following shapes, that's circle, rectangle, square, cube, and triangle. Now the user inputs his choice. Now using switch case, the particular choice is taken. Now in case 1, if the user takes the choice 1, then they are asked to enter the radius of the circle. Now the user enters the radius and it's stored as calc radius, then it breaks. It's similar for case 2, enter the length and breadth of the rectangle. So user enters the length and the breadth in L and B, so it stores as calc LB and breaks. Similarly for case 3, enter the side of square, cin side, calc side, break. Case 4, cout, enter the edge of the cube, cin s, calc s, break. Case 5 is enter the base and height and the other two sides of the triangle. So the user enters base, height, and the other two sides, and then it's stored as calc base, height, s1, s2, and breaks. And the user doesn't input any file of this, then by default it'll be invalid entry, that if it exceeds more than 5. And then again the question is asked, do you want to continue to the user? If you press yes, it'll execute further in the program. Now using void calc float radius, that's for the first one, circle. So float of a comma p, a is the area and p is perimeter, so we declare float a comma p as variables. Now a is equal to 3.14 pi into radius, so and perimeter is 2 into pi into radius, the 2 pi r, using the mathematical formula expression. Now cout, the area of the circle is so executed value of here will be executed as cout, the area of circle, and same way perimeter will be the p value. And the next one for void calc float L and float B, this is for the rectangle. Now float a comma p, two variables are inputted over here, a comma p, using float. Now a is equal to length into breadth, that's L into B, and perimeter is equal to, this p is equal to 2 into L plus B. So cout, the area of the rectangle is the value that's obtained over here, and cout, the perimeter of the rectangle is p, that is the value obtained over here. And next one is the void calc of inside, this is for the square. Now since square needs just one side to find the area, we just need s, so again we declare a and p as integers, a comma p. Now a is equal to side into side, and perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So cout, the area square is the value of a over here, and perimeter square is the value of p over here. The next one is the void calculate double S. This is find the area of cube. Again, for cube, just one side is enough to know the area and the perimeter. So double A comma P. A is equal to 6 into S into S. That's 6 into side and side. And for perimeter, it's 1.732 into S. So C out will be, that's root 3 by 2 into S as a perimeter. So C out will be the area of the cube is A and perimeter cube is P. Now similarly for void calculation of the triangle, void cal double B double H double S1 double S2. This is double of breadth, height, side 1 and side 2. So again we declare double A comma P. This is because there will be even decimal points. Now A is equal to half, the area is equal to half into base into height. So 0.5 into B into H, and for perimeter is base plus side of 1 plus side 2. Now we execute those using CR statement. The area of triangle is A, that is the area obtained over here, and the perimeter of triangle for CR second statement P is B plus S1 plus S2. So that's the program is completed. Now let's build and run the program. Enter your choice. So let's keep choice as 2. Enter the length and breadth of the rectangle, 2 and 4. So area of the rectangle is 8. The perimeter of the rectangle is 12. Now do you want to continue? Press yes. Maybe now check circle. Enter radius of the circle. So keep it at 5. Area of circle is 78.5 and perimeter of circle is 31.4. Now again, do you want to continue? Press yes. Enter the choice. So let's press 3. That's square. Enter the side of the square. So let's put it as 2. The area of the square is 4 and the perimeter of the square is 8. You want to continue? Yes. Check for cube. Edge of the cube, keep it as maybe 3. And area of the cube is 54 and perimeter of the cube is 5.196. Now do you want to continue? Press yes. The triangle. So let's enter the base and height and other two sides of triangle. So base will be 2. Height will be 3. The other two sides of triangle will be maybe 4 and 5. So the area of triangle is 3 and the perimeter of triangle is 11. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now put the value of as 6. So you get invalid entry. So again, do you want to continue? Press N. So that's the program executed successfully. Thank you.